With the puller powered on, navigate to an empty program. Each program has 5 parameter spaces which can be filled with values: heat, filament, velocity, delay, and pull. Refer to the P-2000 operations manual for detailed explanations of each of these parameters. Parameter spaces can be populated with values in either of 2 ways. First, entering 3 digits will fill a parameter space and advance to the next. For values less than 100, values can be loaded with leading zeros. Second, by entering fewer than 3 digits, followed by the Enter key. You can advance to the next parameter without changing the value of the current one by pressing Enter without entering any digits. With your program installed, you should now load a piece of glass. Instructions for this can be found in the video Loading Glass on the P-2000/G. Once your glass is loaded, lower the lid and press the green Pull button. For laser safety reasons, the puller will not initiate a pull unless the lid is lowered. Pressing the green Pull button will initiate the pulling process. The fan will turn off and the laser will turn on, causing the red Laser On light to illuminate. The puller will then run through the lines of the program written in order. If the glass fails to separate when the lines written have been completed, the puller will loop back to the beginning of the program and start again. This looping feature is especially useful when aiming to pull pipettes with short tapers. Once the pull is finished, but before the lid is lifted, the puller will display some information about the pull. This information is useful when troubleshooting or when developing new programs. Finally, lift the lid and recover the 2 completed pipettes. Pipettes can be used immediately or stored safely in a Sutter Instrument pipette storage box. Thanks for watching. For programming advice or any other questions, please contact Sutter Instrument by writing to info@sutter.com or calling +1 415 883 0128.